means to arrange करना, ठीक है? So first of all, we click here. This is the table tools, as you can see here. Okay, so here, if you click here, automatically table comes here. It is now 3 into 2, as you can see here, 3 into 2. What does it mean? Okay, so if I place my cursor here, 3 into 2. So what does it mean? 3 into 2 means like this is one column, this is second column, this is third column. That means we have 3 columns and 2 rows. This is called column 1, column 2. Sorry, this is column 2 and this is column 3. Okay, so 3 columns we have and this is called rows. Okay, rows are level from left to right. Okay, rows are level from left to right. Okay, rows are level from left to right. This is called rows. Okay, rows are level from left to right, and columns are level from top to right, like this, top to right. Okay, from top to bottom, top to bottom. All right. Then from this corner, as you can see here, from this corner, if you want to increase or decrease the size of your table, we can do it from here. From this part, we can increase or decrease the size of your table. And from this corner, okay, this plus sign, like you can see here, double-sided arrow, okay, on both the sides. So from this, we can move our table. We can move from one place to another. Then again, when you go to table, here you can see insert table. Now we talked about is insert table. Now we can mention here number of rows and columns. Okay, we can mention here manually number of rows. Let's say I want to insert 4 columns and maybe 3 rows. Okay, and then say I have this. Okay, so here we go to insert, then we click table, then we say insert table. So here we have to define number of rows and columns. Okay, so as you can see here, there are 5 columns. Okay, there are how many columns? 5 columns. 2
column.
We have 3, 4, 5. And
Ya
how many
column
rows
ya
we
group
have?
ya जो में चिची में से
Second row, third row, 4.
ये Excel में क्या? या तनो ये चलो.
Okay, very good. Then we will talk about the other. This is the second way of inserting table, right? This is the second way of inserting table. Then third way we will discuss. Okay, row table. So as you can see here, pencil is activated. When I click in row table, a pencil is activated. As you can see here, just drag it like this. So you can draw tables like this manually by using the pencil. Okay, so there are different ways of inserting a table, as you can see here. Okay, this is one way. I hope this is clear, right? Then again we have quick tables. Quick tables, right? We have quick tables. If you want to make quick tables without wasting much time, so here you can see so many options are there. Like here we have a calendar, we have, right? We have calendar built in. Then here we have item, like here we have item tabular form. See, suppose you want to buy some stationery, so table is already created. You don't have to make, just you have to change the item name, right? I can change the item name and I can write there suppose book, how many books I want. So it's very easy. So we can also insert quick tables. I hope this is clear to all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Okay, yes, I will repeat. So at first what we have to do is, okay, I delete this table now as of now. Okay,
Harun باید
again I
خونه باشه
repeat.
قسمی خونه میشه.
So we go to the insert, okay, we click tables, and here you can see quick tables, right? So we click this quick tables, we go to the table, quick tables. Then from here you can take anything, like for example, if you want to make a calendar, right? If you want to make a calendar, you can make calendars like this. Then there are different ways to insert. Okay, I repeat once again, Excel quick tables. Then this is calendar, as you can see here.
ماشین.
So you can make your own calendar. Alright. Suppose we want to make about February, so February 2022. What is the date today? Today is 9, right? 9 should be what? Wednesday. Is it correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is how we can make it. If you want to change that, if you want to change this, you can change. It's your choice, right? You can change the color. You can make it bold. Whatever you want to apply, you can make. If you want to change the font, you can click here and you can check the font from here, right? You can change the font, okay? Like this. If you want to make it a bold, press enter like this. So it's your choice. So this is called quick tables. Then there are different tables. I hope this is clear, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then we go to like again we have Excel spreadsheets. Excel spreadsheets we have also like Excel. This is Excel. Okay, now this is Word program, but now we can do all the functions of Excel now in Word program. Like there are certain calculations which is not possible in MS Word, right? There are certain calculations. Okay, both. There are so many calculations which is not possible in MS Word. So which one we can use? We can use Excel, right? So if I click outside, this Excel will disappear. If I want to bring it back, I double click here, right? So as you can see here, it is active here. Okay. So like for example, if I want to write something, maybe I want to add. So there is a function called sum function for adding in Excel. Sum open bracket, and you need to select the numbers. So automatically it will add. Now whatever the numbers we change here, okay, whatever the numbers we change here, automatically it will add in the total. It will update here. This is the total. So if I click outside, the table will come to code again. I believe this is clear, right? All right. Okay. So now you have understood, right? We have understood like how to create tables, right? We have understood now how to create tables, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Okay, fine. Thank you. So I write here 1, 2, 3. Then I write here 2. There are 3 columns and 2 rows. So now whenever we insert a table, okay, there are 2 types of commands in table tools. Okay, we have table design and one is layout. So we will discuss one by one. Okay. So as you can see here, these are the table styles. Okay, like here you will find different types of styles. You can apply any of this. So apply design is applied. All right. Then if you want this static color means the color. Okay, let me take suppose I want to do a static color. Okay, let's say I want to take different colors in each cell. Okay, what do we want? We want to apply different colors in each cell, right? We want to apply what? Different colors in each cell. Yes or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So what we do, if you want to apply only single color, if you want to apply only single color, what we do, we just select all this, then we click this setting, and we just select the color that we want to apply. But yes, if we want to apply different colors, अगर हम different colors लगाना चाहते हैं, insert करना चाहते हैं in different cells, so what do we do? Then what we do? We will select the cell. Okay, I have selected this cell. Then what I do, I will select one color and I will choose this, and I can select different color like this. Again, I can click here and I will select a different color like this. So we can apply different colors in each cell. This is how we can apply different colors in each cell like this. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then we have here, like for example, here you will find border styles, right? Border styles, so borders of the table. Control Z, I bring it back again. Control Z to undo, like whatever changes you have made. If you want to delete, if you want to cancel those commands, is called undo. And shortcut key for undo is what? Control plus Z. Control plus Z. Okay. So what we can do is, now here you can see border styles, right? Here you will find border styles. Please keep your microphone mute, otherwise I will mute. Okay, please, when you are not speaking, please keep your microphone mute. It disturbs the class. Okay, please mute your microphone when you are not talking. Otherwise, if I mute, you will not be able to unmute. Okay. Okay. Then we have border. Here we have border styles, so we can apply this border styles, and we can just try it like this. If you want to apply, we can try. We can apply like this. Okay. We can apply like this border styles. We can apply like this borders. So we can apply like this border styles. Or what else we can do is, if we don't want to apply this manually, okay, let's say we select one border style. Okay, and what I will do, first of all, I will select this table. First of all, we have to select the table, then we go to this, then we will select one style. Suppose, let's say I want to apply, this is called what? This is called line style. Okay, from here we can select the line style. यहाँ से हम line style ले सकते हैं. There are different types of line style, right? Then from here we can select the size. यहाँ से हम size select कर सकते हैं. For this we can only give this much, and pen color. What color we want to fill? Let's say red. Okay, and from here we can select, like from here where we want to apply. Let's say we want to apply in all borders. See, as you can see here, all borders. When I say all borders, the color is applied, right? The color is applied. See, as you can see here, the color is applied. And if you want border styles, if you want a border style from here, then you just select and you can apply like this. Let's say I want to apply outside border, right? Sorry, I want to apply here. I click it here and I can apply here like this. And here also I want to apply. I can just click it here. Just click here and you can apply like this. You can apply. You can, if you want to apply different borders, you can select from here. If you want, like maybe I want this different border, this different border, this different border. Again, and this I want should be a different border. This should outside, right? Like this. So you can apply like this borders. I hope this is clear. This is called border. This is called border painter. Okay.
Yes,
If
sir.
I click, so it will. This is like a format painter. Okay, border painter. Like format painter, we have studied. What is the work of format painter? Can anybody tell me what is the work of format painter? Who can tell me what is the work of format painter? Anyone can tell me the work of format painter? We have already discussed copy format and paste format. If anybody has remembered, can anyone tell me? Yes, any one of you? We have discussed now copy format
Sir,
and
the copy format and the paste format is in home tab.
Okay, so what is the work of copy format?
Like I want to add the style of our writing to another paragraph. We choose it. And then
Yes, correct. Yeah, continue. Try. Yes, correct.
and we can yes.
Okay, so let me tell you. Okay, almost correct. See, what is called format painter? Let's say, suppose, for example, I have written two texts with different styles and different colors. Let's say, suppose, I have given here different font as well. Now, as you can see here, now these texts, okay, and these texts are different from each other, right? Are different from each other. These texts and these texts are not matching with each other, right? It is different from each other. I hope you believe, you understood. So now we want to copy this, okay? We want to copy this here in these two texts. So what do? We select and we click here format painter, right? This is called format painter. Now format painter is activated. So just drag where you want to paste the format and it is copied. Shortcut key is just select to copy the format Control Shift and C. And to paste, Control Shift and V. Control Shift and V. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, exactly. I meant that.
Okay, okay.
Sir, can you tell us how open the MS Word?
How to open MS Word? Okay, sure, okay. Who is asking how to open MS Word? Yeah, whose question was how to open MS
Me,
Word?
sir. Zeba.
Aryan. Jeba. So first of all, we click this, okay? If you are using this call start button, okay, you click here, and here you will find Word program, okay? Here you have to look for, if you are using Windows 10, you have to look for W here, okay? W, because Word program starts with W, right? So you have to look for W program Word. Alright, say here it is Word program. Okay, so Word program will get open now. It's this one, as you can see here, it's open. Then there is another way. Here you can see search. Okay, it's called search dialog box. You can directly write here Word, W-O-R-D. So automatic it will come here. Here, as you can see here, automatic Word program will come here. You just click it here and it will open. Okay. Then there is another way, or you just write here. Maybe MS Word also is correct. If you write MS Word, that is also correct. So there are different ways. Okay, so here you can see Word is here. Or by using the shortcut keys, Windows key plus R. Windows key plus R, we call it as run command. Windows key plus R. This is called run command. Okay, to open this run command, Windows key plus R, and we type here WinWord, WinWord, and press OK. So for this also, okay, so like this. Okay, the next one we discuss about the layout. Okay, we discuss about the layout. We discuss about what? The layout. Then from here we can, okay, yeah, layout. From here we can select this, select cell, we can select column. Okay, like if you want to select column, you can select like this. Or if you want to select directly, you can do this from your mouse. We don't have to go here to select. Okay, just we can select like this. The easiest way rather than going here. So I always recommend you to use these shortcuts. All right, so that you can do your work easier and faster. Right? So I always recommend to use this and grid line. So view grid lines, as you can see here, view grid lines. So what does it means? Okay, let's say suppose for example, I have given table design here. Okay, I have given this table any design. Now, this grid line is not working, right? Grid line is not working. So for this, we need to activate this table styles. Okay, we have to activate this table styles. If I on this, now grid tables, view grid lines will work. As you can see, this is called grid line. The lines that you can see is called the grid lines. Okay, grid lines. Then we have properties. Properties here we can set in center. Okay, like we can center left. There is nothing much use for this. Right center. Then here we have a draw table. If you want to draw more, you can draw tables. Right, we can draw more columns like this. So now if we want the same color, okay, pencil color, now color is coming red. So what we have to do in order to give the same pencil color? Some of you are coming very late for the classes, still joining. Okay, next time I will not allow to join after 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay, some of you still join, some are still joining till now. I don't understand. I will not allow after 10 minutes from next class. I will not allow. If you leave the class, you will not be allowed. Right? So we have to know the timing of the class. Okay. So let's say, suppose for example, I want to change this pencil color. So how we can change the pencil color? We can change from here, right? You can change the pencil color from here. You can choose from here. Okay, and color should be what? Color should be black, normal color. Okay, so now if I draw, as you can see here, color will come the same color. Okay, the same color will come from here. We can choose. We can rename the pencil color. We can change the pencil color. I believe all of you have understood this. Then erase. Eraser, like eraser means for erasing, use for erasing. If you want to erase any cells like this, we can use eraser tool, right? We can use eraser tool. So this is called erasing. Okay. Then delete if you want to delete. If you want to delete any of the cells, let's say suppose for example I want to. Now as you can see there is a eraser tool, right? Eraser tool is activated. So if you want to remove, if you want to delete the eraser tool, okay, you have to click it once again here. So it will become deactivated. ये वापस से deactivate हो जाएगा. Then next one we have is okay. After some time the class will get disconnected. Okay, so I request all of you to please join back again. Okay, because your attendance is not yet marked. Okay, so I request all of you to please join back again. Alright, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then here we can delete, like for example, we can delete rows. Let's say suppose I want to delete this row. So we select, we click here, and we go to delete and we say delete rows. So as you can see, row number 1 is deleted, right? Control Z. The next one we can see is delete table. If you want to delete the table, we click delete table. Table will get deleted. That's all. Delete cells. We can delete the cells like this. We can delete any cells like this. Just place your cursor here. Then we have insert above. Like if you want to insert one more row here. How many rows we have? Now we have only 2 rows. So if you want to insert, we click insert above like this. The next one is for insert below. If you want to insert one more row just after 2, so you have to place your cursor here. Okay. Then say insert below. Then we have insert left. Let's say you want to insert one more row here. Okay, column, sorry. You want to insert one more column here. We want to insert one more. So what we have to do? We need to keep our cursor here. We have to keep our cursor here and say insert left. Alright. Then suppose you want to insert one more column on the right hand side just after 3. So you have to place your cursor here. Okay. In any of these cell you have to place your cursor and say insert right. Clear? I repeat once again, by using shortcuts, we can do also right click, okay, by using the right click. Right click and we can see insert. Insert rows above, like this. Right click, insert rows below. Then if you want to insert columns on the left, just right click here, then insert columns to the left. And if you want to insert on the right side of the column, right click and say insert columns to the right. So this way we can do by using shortcuts as well. Understood? Either you click here or you right click here. It is the same. Okay? So here you find so many things. Here you find so many things. Border styles also you find, then table properties. So same thing you find here as well. So I believe all these are clear. Insert above. Above means what? See here, arrow sign is on. Insert above means to insert one more row above. Arrow sign is on here, as you can see here. By this arrow sign you can understand. Insert below means to insert one more row below. As you can see the arrow sign is pointing at the bottom. So it's understood that it will insert rows below. Then as you can see here, this is called insert left. By looking at the arrow sign you can understand this. Okay, insert left column will be inserted. Then this is insert right column, one column will be inserted on the right hand side. By this arrow sign you can understand, right? You can understand. The next one we have is merge cells. Merge means what? Merge means to combine 2 or more cells together. It's called merge cells, right? Merge means to combine 2 or more cells together. That is called merge. So for example, I want to merge this one cell, okay, the first row together. See, now the merge cell is not active. So I want to merge this. So we click this merge cell. So as you can see here, it is empty now. So I want to give a name for this. Okay? You can give a name. Alright? Understood? Yes, sir. Okay, very good. So this is called merge cells. Then we have split cells. Split means what? Split means to divide the cell into a number of rows and columns. Split cells means what? To divide the cell into a number of rows and columns. Split cell, let's say suppose we want to split this cell. Okay, we want to split only one cell. We want to split this cell. Split means what? To divide. Divide the cell into a number of rows and columns. Just click here and you click split cell. So how many rows and columns you want to specify? So from here we can specify. I say 2 columns and 2 rows. So what will be the effect? Let's see. So as you can see here, you can see 2 columns and 2 rows, right? This is called split cells. इसको हम कहते हैं split cells. Split cells का मतलब वो क्या होता है? कोई भी सेल को डिवाइड करना into rows and columns. Okay?
Yes, sir.
غروب بکنه نماز عصر رو رسول صلی الله علیه و سلم دید که یک نفر غروب بکنه. این دو تا خصلت اگه داشت
Mariam, autoritas.
Alright. So I hope this is clear to all of you till here, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. So the next one is called split table. Split table means what? Split table means to divide the table into two parts. You can see here this table is divided into two parts. One part, as you can see here,
مقخروليش ده والجور كلام
and
ورز
one part. Split means what?
كلش ما يقدر
To
نبص
divide in two parts, right? Split means to divide in two parts. As you can see here. See, I want to split this table. Just click it here and say go to layout and click this split table. Click this split table. Sorry, not split table, split table. Okay, click. So as you can see here, this table is divided into two parts. This is one part and this is one part. So there are two parts. So this I call it split table. This is split what? Table. So today we will practice till this much. Okay, next we will practice tomorrow. Okay, so I will ask tomorrow. This is our homework. Those who have completed this practice, what is all this? Yes. Somebody is saying something? One by one.
Can you send, Sarah, can you send video lessons for us?
Which one?
Today lessons.
I will send video, but I don't get time. Whenever I get time, I will make videos and send. Okay? So you have to be patient, alright? Okay. So I hope all of you have understood this, right? After 2 minutes, you will get disconnected. So I request all of you to please join back again. Today we have many new students. Okay, so welcome to the class. I think how many of you are new? Can you raise your hands? I think I can see many new students today. Right? Many of you are new today. So I welcome all of you. Okay, Paujia, Satyajada is new. Okay, then we have and who are new today? Then Tuan Kian Ho is a new student. Okay, then Jainab, I requested yesterday, please send me your RC number to me, okay? My WhatsApp. Jainab, can you hear me? Zainab, is your full name is only Zainab, right?
Yes, yes.
Zainab, you are attending 2 classes. You are attending photography classes, right? Zainab, you are attending Photoshopping class also?
Yes.
You are attending basic also, 2 classes at a time.
كتابه فكرة كم ناخدها هند شوب ميشا
Hello? Yes, Zainab. Okay. So, yes.
What will happen in control F4?
Control F4 from what will be control F4?
Control plus F4.
We have all plus F4, not control plus F4.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
So
so
what?
يعني درسای مکتب چی یاد دارم دانم نمیگه بچه خیلی چیز میرم قطع شد اثر جوین کو اثر جوین کو چرا؟ بیچاره خب کلا که امتحان داره یک چیز خوردنی بیار که دانم بمیدم
تو خب
بر نکردیم یک وای 3 دقیقه شد